In a dimly lit forge on the edge of a small village, the air was thick with the smell of burning coal and the rhythmic clang of hammer on anvil. The workshop, a blend of rustic charm and utilitarian design, was filled with tools of the trade and the fruits of the blacksmith's labor, intricately forged weapons, sturdy tools, and ornate decorative pieces. Amidst the glowing embers and the sound of crackling fire, two blacksmiths, Mark Bennett and Sarah Thompson, worked side by side, sharing stories and techniques as they shaped raw metal into works of art.
Mark, there's something almost magical about working with metal. Each piece we create is a testament to our skill and dedication. What drew you to blacksmithing in the first place?
For me, it was the blend of artistry and practicality. I love the idea of creating something beautiful that also has a functional purpose. What about you, Sarah? What made you choose this craft?
It was the allure of transforming raw, unyielding metal into something both delicate and strong. There's a unique satisfaction in seeing a piece take shape under your hands. Question: Mark, in your opinion, what is the most rewarding aspect of being a blacksmith? A. The creative process. B. The satisfaction of completing a project. C. The knowledge that your work will be used and appreciated by others.
Answer: C. The knowledge that your work will be used and appreciated by others. Sarah, I think the most rewarding aspect is knowing that our work will be used and appreciated by others. Option C. It's fulfilling to think that something we made with our own hands will become a part of someone's life, whether it's a tool, a weapon, or a decorative piece.
I completely agree, Mark. It adds a personal touch to our work, knowing that we're contributing something meaningful to people's lives.
Exactly. It's not just about the craft itself, but the impact it has on others.
Their conversation flowed naturally as they shared their experiences and the various projects they had worked on. They discussed the challenges and joys of blacksmithing, from the initial heating of the metal to the final quenching and finishing touches.
Speaking of challenges, Mark, what do you find to be the most difficult part of a blacksmithing project?
I'd say the most challenging part is achieving the right balance between strength and flexibility in the metal. It takes a lot of skill and experience to get it just right. What about you, Sarah? What do you find most challenging?
For me, it's the precision required in detailed work. Ensuring every curve and angle is perfect can be quite demanding.
Question: Sarah, how do you manage to maintain precision in your detailed work? A. By practicing regularly. B. By using specialized tools. C. By taking your time and working patiently.
Answer: C. By taking your time and working patiently. Mark, I managed to maintain precision by taking my time and working patiently. Option C. Rushing can lead to mistakes, but working slowly and carefully helps ensure that every detail is perfect.
That makes a lot of sense, Sarah. Patience is definitely a key quality in blacksmithing.
Exactly. It's about making sure that our creations are both beautiful and functional.
They delved deeper into their shared passion for metalworking, discussing various techniques they had learned over the years. They exchanged tips on achieving precision, experimenting with different metals, and continually refining their skills.
Mark, I've been thinking about how blacksmithing has evolved over the years. While traditional methods are invaluable, there are some modern techniques that have made certain tasks easier. How do you feel about incorporating new methods into our craft?
I think it's important to balance tradition with innovation. Modern techniques can improve efficiency and precision, but it's essential not to lose the traditional skills and craftsmanship that define our work.
Question, Mark. How do you balance the use of traditional methods and modern techniques in your work? A. By using modern techniques for repetitive tasks and traditional methods for detail work. B. By continually learning and adapting to new techniques. C. By integrating both approaches to enhance the overall quality of the work.
Answer: A. By using modern techniques for repetitive tasks and traditional methods for detail work. Sarah: I balance the use of traditional methods and modern techniques by using modern techniques for repetitive tasks and traditional methods for detail work. Option A. This approach allows me to maintain the craftsmanship and attention to detail while benefiting from the efficiency of modern techniques.
That's a smart approach, Mark. It ensures that we keep the essence of our craft while also embracing the advantages of modern methods.
Exactly. It's about finding the right balance to enhance our work without compromising on quality.
They shared their experiences with various techniques and tools, discussing how they had adapted to changes in the industry while staying true to the core principles of their craft.
Mark, what advice would you give to someone just starting out in blacksmithing?
I'd say the most important thing is to be patient and persistent. Blacksmithing requires a lot of practice and attention to detail. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. What advice would you give, Sarah?
I would tell them to always keep learning and be open to new ideas. The more you experiment and push your boundaries, the more you grow as a craftsman.
They concluded their discussion, feeling inspired and motivated by their shared passion for blacksmithing. They looked forward to continuing their journey, creating beautiful and functional pieces that would be cherished for years to come. As the fire crackled and the embers glowed, Mark and Sarah returned to their work with renewed enthusiasm, their hearts filled with pride for their craft and the legacy they were forging with each strike of the hammer. Here are 5 words and phrases related to the theme of Blacksmith's Forge.
Traditional methods. Time-honored techniques passed down through generations of blacksmiths. Modern techniques. New methods and tools that enhance efficiency and precision in metalworking.
Attention to detail. The precision and care required to achieve perfect results in blacksmithing. Craftsmanship. The skill and artistry involved in creating high-quality metal pieces.
Adaptability. The ability to learn new techniques and adjust to changes in the industry.